learners, today we are going to start with chapter 18, that is interrogative sentences. So in this chapter we will study about some interrogative sentences. इसमें हम question पूछते हैं जो and होता है with question mark, like he is coming tomorrow and have you watched the movie. So when the sentence has am, is, was, were, I के साथ am आता है, is singular के साथ आता है, was past में singular के साथ आता है, were plural के साथ आता है. Like I am happy, am I happy? They were angry, were they angry? Now when sentence have different forms of has, have had, तो आप क्या करोगे? Like यहाँ पे लिखा you have a bicycle. Have you any bicycle? Have you a bicycle? He has a bicycle. Has he a bicycle? Right? So when a sentence has verb made up of more than one, एक से ज़्यादा, Ravi is playing. Is Ravi playing? So when the verb is in the simple present tense, हम do और does का use करते हैं. Like Sarika likes ice cream. Does Sarika likes ice cream? क्या सारिका को आइसक्रीम अच्छी लगती है? Now when the verb is in the simple past tense, जब simple tense past tense में होगी तो हम did का use करते हैं. Like he told me a story. Did he tell me a story? Now interrogative sentence or question can begin with question mark. Like when, where, why, who, whose, what. So when is the train leaving? Where do you stay? Whose car it is? What is the time? And who is your English teacher and how are you? आप कैसे? So he is playing well, isn't he? तो each of the above sentence जो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे आपको बताया जा रहा है short question में. So in the response of the question tag, isn't he, we say yes, he is or not, he is not. The highlighted word bar question tag. Now read some example. The question tags are negative while the statement are positive. आप देख रहे हैं क्वेश्चन टैग क्या है? नेगेटिव है, स्टेटमेंट पॉजिटिव. बोला शी इज वेरी एक्साइटेड, इजंट शी, राइट? ये पॉजिटिव है. यू आर अ गुड एथलीट, आरंट यू? सो द क्वेश्चन टैग्स आर पॉजिटिव व्हाइल स्टेटमेंट आर नेगेटिव. दे विल नॉट रीच, विल दे? I was not crying, so was I, right? So notice that the subject and the verb in the question tag match the statement, right? He is singing well, isn't he? तो he is तो क्या हो गया? is verb हो गया, सब्जेक्ट ही हो गया. वो क्या बन रहा है? स्टार्टिंग सिंगिंग वेल. सो दे आर, दे तो क्या हो गया आपका सब्जेक्ट, आर हो गई आपकी वर्ब. दे आर नॉट फ्रेंड, आरंट दे, राइट? So this is how you change the question to the interrogative sentence. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.